Good morning. This is K. Sakti Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology, Vellore. Here I am going to talk about a paper, Environmental Science and Engineering. In that, I am going to take a class on desert ecosystem. So, desert ecosystem is a kind of terrestrial ecosystem. A desert is a landscape of region that receives almost no precipitation or no rainfall. Deserts are defined as areas with an average annual precipitation or rainfall of less than 250 millimeters per year. It occupies about 17% of the Earth's surface. Deserts are characterized by hot in the days and cold in the nights. The deserts of the world are mainly located in the southwestern United States, Mexico, North America, Asia, and West Asia. Deserts are characterized by scanty flora and fauna. Soils of deserts often have abundant nutrients but little or no organic matters. It has many inorganic materials but no organic matters or very low organic matters. So, what are the structure and functions of the desert ecosystems? Biotic components are the structure of the all ecosystems. So, biotic components here is producers. Producers is nothing but the desert producers like shrubs, bushes, and some of the grasses and few trees. So, the dominant plant species include succulents that are water retaining plants adapted to arid climate or soil conditions, and hardy grasses. Besides, some lower plants such as lichens, xerophytic mosses are also be present here in the desert ecosystem. And the consumers are the animals as insects, reptiles which are capable of living in xeric conditions. Besides some nocturnal rodents, birds and some mammalians like camel etc. are also found in the desert ecosystem. You can see the pictures here. There is some of the consumers we put it here of the desert ecosystem. And what are the decomposers available in the desert ecosystem? Here also the same like bacteria and fungi are available in the desert ecosystem, but it is due to the poor vegetation with a low amount of dead organic matters, decomposers are poor in the desert ecosystems. The common decomposers are the bacteria and fungi, most of which are thermophilic, which is nothing but it can retain in the high temperature also. And the abiotic components are due to the high temperature and very low rainfall in the desert. The organic substances are poorly present in the soil. Thank you.